If you're looking for a robotic vacuum cleaner for the house, chances are you have heard the name of the Roomba S9. It's one of the powerful robot vacuums from iRobot that's smart enough to tell how dirty your floors are where it has been. Like every tech gadget, Roomba S9 also has some downsides, and it's pretty old too. But it still has a good impression among its users. Therefore, today we're going to figure out why it's still popular. So, let's go! First of all, the brand value. From the very beginning, the brand has been a global pioneer in the robotics and consumer products industries. Even their products are widely spread worldwide and earn a good potential among consumers. That's why the brand value of iRobot is so high and noticeable. After the brand value, iRobot is known for its customer support. No matter if it's online or offline, manufacturers try to provide a good support to the customers. For example, if anyone has a question or is facing a problem with the Roomba S9, iRobot tries to give a solution ASAP or replace the device. Next is affordability and availability. There are a lot of robot vacuums on the market that have the same features and performance similar to the Roomba S9 Plus, but the price is too damn high. For example, Roborock S7 Max V Ultra has smart navigation, multiple mapping, docking station, voice compatibility, and more with a price tag of $1,400. On the other hand, Roomba S9 Plus also offers the same features as Roborock but with an affordable price tag than its competitor. Good news for those looking for a more affordable robot vacuum from such brand. Next, it's really surprising that the Roomba S9 Plus is still performing well. It has amazing cleaning efficiency with accuracy, and after every cleaning task, the robot can empty the dustbin automatically. So, your Roomba always stays ready for the next cleaning mission. It's true that the Roomba S9 Plus is better at navigation and mapping. On a test, we found that it did a great job compared to the Roborock S7 Plus. The more surprising thing is that Roomba can accurately memorize whopping 10 rooms and floors. Even more, no other robot vacuum can remember this amount of maps as Roomba. Another thing is Roomba's low profile and unique design. Yes, its form factor allows the robot to roam under furniture and appliances seamlessly. At the same time, the unique D-shaped design with double brush accurately cleans corners and edges better than any robot vacuum. So that was all about why Roomba S9 Plus is still popular. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.